Popular Jamaican promoter shot dead in Florida. Hi again and welcome. This is Sh9t TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. If it's the first time you're watching, please remember just to like, share, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell and click on all so you're always updated with the latest news report. We'll be right back after the break with the details. Welcome to Sh9t TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Sh9t TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Sh9t TV News Report. A popular Jamaican-born nightclub promoter was found dead with gunshot wounds inside a car at an apartment complex in West Palm Beach, Florida, United States on Saturday. The deceased man has been identified as 37-year-old Kevin Johnson, popularly known as Kevin Wandon Milanez. He is from Kingston, Jamaica, according to his Facebook page. The West Palm Beach police reported that cops were called to the Fair Vista apartment at about 3:45 a.m. after residents alerted them to gunshots being fired in the area. Upon their arrival, law enforcement officers found the body and later identified that of Mr. Johnson. He was found dead inside his motor vehicle. No suspect has so far been identified in relation to the incident. Likewise, no motive has yet been established for the killing. In the meantime, social media platform Facebook has been flooded with tributes for the popular Jamaican promoter. Just seen Kevin Milanez last night, Friday. This is crazy. What's happening in West Palm Beach? Where are we killing off each other? Us Jamaicans, we are supposed to stick together. RIP, one user wrote on social media Facebook. Another social media user posted, "My deepest condolences and thoughts to his family, friends, and to the Florida Caribbean community for the loss of Kevin. May his family, especially his kids, be well to deal with this situation." Another user post, "My head mash up. Bad. My condolences to Kevin." In the meantime, the West Palm police are appealing for any information that may assist them with the probe into the shooting of Mr. Johnson. This has been Sh9t TV News Report. Thanks for watching.